the LG V20 system. And today I'm doing a video with the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G for Cricket Wireless. So the Galaxy A52 is now have Cricket Wireless. It's available now for $459.99 and then contracts of course pretty cool there. So the Galaxy A52 is available in awesome white. So very nice looking, pretty good specs, and yeah, $459 for the close $459 for current customers as well, so no adjustments or nothing like that. So there's the phone. That has also finances for $20 a month at 0% APR. If you guys want to do that from your phone, that has some finances phone, which so if you guys really want to do that. And that has also leads to with progressive leasing if you guys want to do that as well. So check out those two options. So yeah, this is the A52 for very nice. And the guys have the earpiece on top, the whole country kind of picture camera, the earpiece and power bill on the left side of the phone. The left side has nothing. On the back of the device, A52, you guys have the triple camera system. No, it's 4 cameras, right? I think it's 4 cameras in the back. Plus camera flash. It has a Samsung Galaxy S20 camera setup there. You do have a Samsung logo on the back, and yeah, I think there's 4 cameras on here. I think. Yep. So the A52 5G has 6.5-inch display, 64 megapixel main camera, and 128 gigabytes of storage. So not too bad for 459. So this is like a medium smartphone. So pretty good specs, like I said. Such as a Galaxy A52 5G phone that's ready for any program multi-lens camera system to capture all the action. Check stunningly with it. Infinity A Full HD Plus as well to make your gameplay pop. You got it. 5G capability, super fast processing power for super fast processing power, non-less battery, and a low water-resistant design. Everything has awesome edge to everything. Okay, that made no fucking sense. Okay, they crush marks everywhere, so that made no sense to me. It kind of made sense, but at the same time it didn't. So, of course, the some point they're able to do with its 5G capabilities, 6.5-inch Full HD Plus dynamic AMOLED display. It is Full HD Plus infinity display, quad rear camera system featuring a 64 megapixel lens and 4K video, water resistance, probably IP68 rating, 45mm battery, 128 gigabytes of onboard memory, and display fingerprint sensor for the mouse. So for $460, so you're getting a lot of good stuff in here. So yeah, memory is captured. Galaxy A52 offers great camera features at a great price. Shoot high res portraits in 64 megapixel. Good wire to capture beautiful landscape shoot super steady video with optical image stabilization on midfield. So the style is a 32 megapixel front facing camera. So you guys have a portrait. They also have a wide angle lens, probably a telephoto lens. I don't know. I guess it tells you what the camera lenses are. I guess I'll tell you in the spec sheet in a second. You guys have an edge to edge 70-minute method. So you have videos, games, photos, and content come to life on Galaxy A52 5G, dazzling edge to edge Infinity Air Full HD Plus as well, and with its silky smooth 120Hz dynamic refresh rate, your screen experience is nothing short of impressive. So you guys get 120Hz refresh rate, so pretty nice there. So water to let it go. It happens to the best of us, but let us build on how at least not anymore. Galaxy A52 can This time up to 3 feet of water for 30 minutes and thus it won't bother you either. It's probably IP68 rating, so it tells us. That's the Android 11. That's which is very nice. Android 11 with 1 UI 3.1 or something like that. So you're getting the latest and greatest right now. Just trying to get Android 12 sometime. Your dimensions in the race at A52 is 6.29 inches height, 2.05 inches width, and 0.32 inches depth. Also, 128 gigabytes of internal storage. Micro cards are up to 1 terabyte. You get 6 gigabytes of RAM. I think it's 6 gigabytes of RAM. I think 6 gigabytes of RAM. I think 6 gigabytes of RAM on hand. So, I think 6 gigabytes of RAM. I think it's 6 gigs here. The A32 has 4 gigabytes of RAM, so this one's up 6 gigs in there, so pretty good. 6.5 inch full C-Plus, dynamic AMOLED display. Of course, you do get 5G of course, which is its main sound point. Along with 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 8 to 11 DBGM, AC, I, and R. Dual Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, USB Type-C for charging. Probably has a fast charger in there, so pretty good. You do get no hotspot capable, so that's very nice. You do get 4 cameras in the back at 64 megapixel main with 4K video, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel depth sensor, and a 5 megapixel macro lens in the back. And you get a 32 megapixel front facing camera featuring 4K video, so very nice, so pretty good. Then you do get an octa-core processor, 4500 mAh battery there, so probably a Snapdragon processor. I don't know what processor it is in here, I don't know. Doesn't say. It don't mention anything about the water resistance, but I'm sure it's like IP68 rating for custom model. Accessories. Okay. So that's probably it there. So if you guys want to get accessories for the A52, guys, go to Amazon and type in there A52 5G to get your accessories on Amazon. So, do you guys have the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G is a quick wireless? It's available now for $459.99. So if you guys are looking to get a better range smartphone, but you guys don't want that a whole lot of money, you guys get this phone for $460. I think it's worth every penny on it. You get great specs, you get great features, the latest and greatest in terms of software. This one should get Android 12, it should. I don't see why not. You guys might get 3 years of updates on this. I don't know how Samsung does it with the latest phones, but then I should at least get Android 12 on this at some point. So if you guys are looking to get a mid-range smartphone but don't want to spend a whole lot of money, like I said, the Galaxy A52 is still trying to be checked out. It's available now for $459.99. For retail price in the contract school, you guys can pay $20 a month at 0% APR, or you guys can lease to you guys do have 3 options to choose from to purchase your phone. So I think it's worth every penny of it. Very nice for fun, for experience, for the future. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it has my own luck, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.